Hello, welcome to our channel English Notes. Here you will find short lessons and tips on communicating in English. Today, let's find out how to tell someone that they are wrong without sounding rude or without offending them. To sound polite, what you need to do is to reduce the directness of the address. So, how do you do that? You can do so by using expressions that help soften your tone and reduce directness of address. You may use expressions like I'm sorry, or I'm afraid, or I don't think, or don't mind my saying so, but. Now let's see how we can use these expressions to tell someone that they are wrong. Or using the expression I'm sorry, you could say, I'm sorry, but that's not right. Or, I'm sorry, but you seem to have got it wrong. I'm sorry, but you seem to have missed a point here. The expression I'm afraid is generally used to politely introduce bad news or disagreement. If you are using this expression, you may say, I'm afraid that's not right at all, or I'm afraid you're mistaken. Beginning your sentences with the expression I don't think is another way of making sure that you do not sound too direct or blunt. You could say, I don't think you're right about that, or I don't think what you're saying is right. Another expression you could use in this scenario is don't mind my saying so. You could say, for instance, don't mind my saying so, but you're mistaken. Or don't mind my saying so, but you've got it wrong. You could also say, actually, things are quite contrary to what you're saying, if you don't mind my saying so. So now you see, not using those introductory expressions to reduce the directness of address might make you sound rude. Compare the examples given earlier with these ones to understand the difference. You are wrong. That's all wrong. That's rubbish. That's nonsense. You are not making any sense. Where did you hear that? It's all rubbish. What are you saying? In our next how-to episode, you will learn how to politely interrupt a speaker. Please follow our channel for more short lessons and tips on vocabulary, new and trending words, confusing words, and writing tips. See you in the next lesson. Take care.